Hey there. Thanks for your interest in our property inspection platform. It's great to have you here. If you're watching this, you're probably looking for a better way to manage your inspection process, streamline team workflows, and deliver professional reports that your clients love. You're in the right place. In this short demo, I'll give you a tour of the Eneris platform so you can see exactly how it works and how it can help your inspection business run more efficiently. To keep this video within a reasonable duration, we'll only be covering how to create form templates, on-site data collection, generating a report, and sharing the report. I'll be showcasing how Eneris functions on a phone. Keep in mind that the platform can be accessed through tablets and computers as well. Once you've created an Eneris account, the first thing we'll want to do is to create our form template. Form templates allow you to create reusable templates for your inspections. You can customize everything from the inspection categories down to the saved field options to promote standardization across reports. To do this, we just need to select Create New Template, and that will reveal a list of out-of-the-box templates that come with Eneris. If none of these templates are applicable to you, you can also scroll to the bottom and select the blank template to create a brand new template from scratch. For our demo, I've used the Eneris template with slight edits, so let's continue from here. The next step is to create an inspection. Here, I'll search for an address and select the first one that comes up. It will auto-populate all the address fields for me. And as I scroll down, I can see that there is an inspection date and time that I can select. Once I'm happy with that, I'll select Create Inspection. Now that the inspection is created, I'll scroll through the main inspection page and fill out all the relevant details. As I scroll down, you'll see that there's an area for the inspection form itself, an area for me to input the relevant contact details, property details, as well as general notes and an internal memo. General notes are for notes that you would like to show up in the final report. Internal memos are notes that you would like to leave for yourself or your team that do not show up on the PDF report. Now that we have all the general information about the inspection filled out, I'll navigate back up to the top and select the Residential Property Inspection Report. From here, I'll add a primary photo of the property that I'm inspecting. And to keep this demo short, I'll be filling in two inspection components. The first one will be the exterior wall covering. Based on the template you've created, you'll notice a number of fields. Here I have a status field, which I will mark as inspected. Scrolling down, I'll also see a description field. There are some favorited options on the top, so I'm going to select stone and wood. And condition, I see similarly favorited options as well. Not all options need to be favorited, especially if you have a large amount to choose from. Let's say for the location, I don't have any favorited options, but if I select Add New, a number of options will show up here that are available for me to select, or I can simply type in a brand new value. Similarly, for multi-line text fields such as the additional notes, I can select the Add New Text button and take a look at the three favorited options. If what I'm looking for isn't immediately available there, I can search for what I'm looking for, by typing in a relevant word, and I can see that one of the pre-saved options has showed up on the bottom, so I'll go ahead and select that. Finally, I'll add a photo of the exterior wall covering. Now that I've finished inspecting the exterior wall coverings, let's fill out the cooling system component as well. To navigate there, I'll use the scrolling pills at the top to find the HVAC category. And from there, I'll navigate into cooling systems. As I scroll down, we'll see some similar fields like status and description, but we'll also start to notice some cooling system specific fields, such as cooling energy source and cooling system type. While you're using the Eneris application, your work is automatically saved in regular intervals. You can also manually save by going to the General page and selecting Save in the top right corner. Saving saves the inspection data locally using your mobile device's available storage. That way, even if you lose internet connection at any point during your inspection, you can continue with your work. Now that I've finished inspecting my property, I'll scroll down on the General page so that I can publish my report. Publishing takes all of the inspection information you've entered and creates the final report for your clients. Publishing also syncs the report. Syncing takes the data that's saved on your mobile device and pushes it to the cloud so that you can access your latest report across your phones, tablets, and computers. Now that my report has been published, I'd like to take a look at what that final PDF looks like. To do that, I'm going to select Preview Changes. Here we see a preview of the report. First, we have the cover page, followed by the table of contents, and then we have a list of actionable findings. This allows your report recipients to easily identify key areas in your report. Scrolling down, we have the general information about the property and any other remarks that you've added. And then finally, we have the bulk of the PDF report. Here we see the exterior wall coverings that we inspected together. And scrolling down, we also see the cooling system that we completed. Once I've confirmed everything looks good, I'll select Done in the upper left corner to navigate back to the inspection form. The final step now is to share the report, and to do that, I'll select the Share option. Here, I can confirm who I'd like to share the report to, as well as the email subject and the email body. Selecting the To field will reveal the contacts that I've associated with this particular inspection. For now, I'll just select Dawn because she's my client. The email subject and email body look good to me, so I'll just scroll down and select Send to email the report to Dawn. Here's the email that was shared. Dawn received a copy of it, and I was automatically CC'd as well. Scrolling down, I see that there's a button for the Residential Property Inspection Report. Selecting it will take me to the published report. That's it for our recorded demo. If you'd like to learn more about Eneris, feel free to schedule a live one-to-one call with us or take a look at our product documentation for more details. Whether you're a solo inspector or managing a growing team, we hope this demo provides a look into how the Eneris platform helps you spend more time inspecting and less time wrestling with admin work.